Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Food is God Gift. Today we're going to see how to make a Shahi Veggie Paneer Kurma. It's simply delicious with a rich of flavor and the paneer and vegetables. So delicious, and this curry goes so well with for the rice, chapati, paratha, naan and many main dish friend. So let's see what you need. So today I'm using the whole garam masala for tempering, onion chopped, about 1 onion, ginger garlic paste. So I have about 200-gram paneer. It's a homemade paneer, cauliflower, carrots, peas and beans, green beans. I have 1 boiled potatoes, 1 tomato I grated. So this is a cashew and khaskhas puree, coconut milk. So basically for the kurma masala we need a coriander powder, chili powder, cumin powder and garam masala. So friend, please check the description below. So I leave the recipe detail. Oil and ghee is optional. So today we're going to use the Insania Instant Pot. It's really easy and convenient. So I start with the ghee. So we're going to roast it all that paneer with a pinch of garam masala and chili powder. So it's really give that juicy and the flavorful on the paneer itself, and then it's give the crispy outside and juicy inside. So if you do this method, it's really help to hold that paneer in the shape. So it's optional, you can always not to do, but I like to have this juicy paneer in my curry. So I start with the whole garam masala. After I'm adding the 1 tablespoon oil. So we just give that, it smells so good friends, the aroma, the garam masala. Now I'm adding the chopped onion. Once we saute about 1 to 2 minutes in the saute mode, so we're going to let it cook. Now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon. So it's really less amount and less time consumed if you use the Insania Instant Pot. You can use any instant pot, or you can make the same method in stove top. It doesn't take much to make this delicious, creamy and silky smooth curry. So once all cooked and then the raw smell start gone, and now we can add that the masala is a coriander powder, chili powder, cumin powder and garam masala. So we just give that cook in that oil, and then definitely take all that raw smell, and we just keep adding all the vegetable and give a nice saute each minute. Anyway, we're going to put the pressure on this oil so it will cook evenly. So I'm just adding the tomato puree. So we can make this curry under 15 minutes. So I'm just adding about half cup water, and we need that liquid to cook all that vegetables. So we just keep adding all ingredient. So next is the puree that I blended. It's a cashew and khaskhas puree. It's really give that richness and really give that creamy, silky smooth texture in your gravy. I'm just seasoning with the salt and just season well, and now we can so friend, I already have that boiled potato. If you don't have that boiled potato, you can add the raw potato in this same time. So I'm just lock that pressure, and then I'm cancel the setting to the manual. I'm gonna just go for the 8 minutes friend. The all cook even 8 minutes. So I have this here, the sauté paneer and boiled potato. We're going to add it after all vegetable cook evenly. So you won't believe it just take 8 minutes to done, and you can serve this under 15 minutes. This delicious Shahi Paneer Kurma. No time, friends. So look at this, smells so good here, smells so yummy, and the vegetable all evenly cooked and hold the same shape. I'm just now adding the boiled potato and the saute paneer. So just give a mix, and now I'm just change the setting to the saute mode, and I'm adding coconut milk. So I just cancel the setting. I'm just change to the saute mode. So while we taste that, so now you can add all that whatever you want, like the spices, chili powder, or the the salt. So you can check the salt and taste it now. Now it's completely ready. Look at this, friend, it's so good. It's simply delicious with the paratha, naan, rice, jeera rice, vegetable biryani, and especially it goes so well, and the best dish side for any main dish, friend. So now I'm just garnishing with chili, some ghee, and some cream on top. Look at this, simply like from the restaurant. It just need a 50 minutes, under 50 minutes you can make this delicious yummy in the instant pot. So friend, you won't believe this you made at home, and the taste so amazing. The paneer is so soft and tender and so juicy with the aromatic flavor from the spices, and then the perfect cooked vegetable, and it's all in shape. So friend, I'm just give a try. The silky smooth sauce, the paneer, I'm just give a cut. You can see that it just like a butter, it's just melt in your mouth and tastes so amazing, and it's so delicious with the chapati, rice, naan, paratha, ghee rice, vegetable biryani, pulao. You can keep go on. This is the perfect dish. Kids love this paneer, Shahi Paneer Kurma. No wonder this is the best dish ever, and you must to try. Under 15 minutes, so you can make this delicious Shahi Paneer Kurma at home in the stove top or in the instant pot. Thank you for watching. Before that, click that bell button, like and share.